You. Let's go.
Is Eva. I'm too old to be forever young. Hey, there's no such thing as too old, okay? There isn't. 4X crazy time top slide. Come on, come on, come on. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. That is crazy stuff with a 4X on it. Oh! Are you ready? Let's go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Welcome to Crazy Time. And we got it. 4X. On top slide. Yes. Well, wait. 4X everything. All the multiplies on the wheel, baby. Woo! Well, babes, decision time. Green, blue, or yellow. Choose a color. Okay. 400X maximum multiplier. $200 for green and yellow, $60 for blue, 3,454 of you got a 200X. Woo! Flip. I'm down. I'm ready to see that. Please. We got it. It's going with Oh, dear, ladies and gentlemen, you ready? Woo! Okay, chillax. We just need 100X. We need 100X base, and then boom, 7X. Please. 3 on blue, 50 on red, 7X to 21 for blue, 350 for the red. Highest, please. Coin, you know what to do. Please. Woo! Yes! Oh, my. This is what I'm talking about. Yes! 350X multiply hit on coin flip. 5,662 winners. 27,000 for Bay. Ah!
35,740. Yeah, you can check it out. Like, really, go back to back, like, and check it out, the session. And congratulations, winners, 4,000 people. This is what we have at number 2. It was. Thank you. Spinning time. Let's go, people. Crazy Time 2X multiplier. As I told you, with some of the multiplier. It is. Crazy Time. You. Let's go. Woo! Crazy Time. Here we go, people. First the full. It is 2X for then everything. Oh, I can hear Signe. It's not Signe, it's Yeva. Be ready for that beautiful lady there. But first of all, we will complete with the beautiful Crazy Time. 2X multi for everything, guys, in a flopper. Green, blue, yellow team. Which one will be yours? Blue flopper. As always, the most popular one. 400X is that a multiplier. Just like that. Have a good one, everybody. Spin it. Win it. Take it up. $50 for the blue, 50 for the yellow, and the double now for the green. And Jen, Galen, Zoga, welcome to the Crazy Time wheel. We got these 800X. Boom! And a spinning time again. Let's go! Here we go, 200 for the green, let's go!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.